My way or your way? Which one? Which one? Oh, you going?
I don't want to go
Let's
with
go.
you.
Shut up.
I'm not going with you.
Let's go.
Not going no place with you.
Let's go.
I love you. All of you. It's your addiction. It's your addiction.
Beautiful girl, just open your heart and show the rest of the world you're so wonderful. And spread your wings, your pretty little wings and fly. Shake the weight off your shoulders, pleasure to know you. You're so wonderful, beautiful girl, just open your heart and show the rest of the world you're so wonderful. Spread your wings, yeah, baby, your pretty little wings, yeah. Take the weight off your shoulders, pleasure to know you. You're so wonderful. You're so wonderful.
Welcome to the sounds of poetry. Next to the mic, Monique.
I had been preparing this poem for months, but I ran into an old friend, and so tonight I'm going to speak from my heart. Back when the pain was too hard to comprehend, I found solace in letting the ink bleed from my pen. But even poetry couldn't erase the pain completely. It hurts like hell knowing cocaine wasn't beneath me. See, Mama, your addiction has always come first. Cocaine was your poison of choice. Your life should have gotten better after my birth, but from what I see, it's only gotten worse. I should have been your reason to smile, but I became the reason you smoked. I should have been your source of joy, but instead you turned to coke. And I cried, alone and broken. If there was ever a time you chose me over drugs, I can't remember when. And even now, I still play second fiddle to your addiction. And I've always wanted to question why. Why don't you love me as much as you love getting high? But I've learned never to ask questions I didn't want the answer to, because if you had a choice to live drug-free, I don't think that's the life you choose.
I've never made it to your top 5 list of things to do. And I cry. Alone, broken, and confused. All of my memories involve you and your addiction. You and your crack pipe. You and the countless addicts you brought in and out of my life. You eat, breathe, and sleep cocaine. The moment you put the needle in your arm, you take the mother out of your name. See, you've never been a mother, and I finally get it. Though this truth brings so much pain, you couldn't be my mother because you were addicted to cocaine. Don't want to come off bitterly, but I don't mind. Bittersweet, because that's what my life has been. I just want to become at peace with my reality. I still love you to death. I still pray that one day you'll get clean. I still have faith, if only like a mustard seed. In my perfect world, we're best friends. I wish I could rewind time just so you'd have the chance to live life again. Would things change then? It hurts me that I'm not sure of the answer, but all I know with certainty is I love you with all of me.
And no matter what, you'll always be my mother.